What if I told you that the biggest financial mistake most Europeans are making right now is doing nothing? While your money sits in a savings account losing value to inflation, millions of people across Germany, France, and the Netherlands are quietly building wealth, starting with as little as €50. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's talk about something most people get wrong about investing. They think you need thousands of euros, a financial advisor, or some secret knowledge to get started. But in 2026, that couldn't be further from the truth. The inflation problem nobody talks about. If your money is earning 1 to 2% in a savings account, but inflation is running at 3 to 4%, you are losing money every single year. Not dramatically, just slowly, quietly, year after year. That €10,000 in your account? In 10 years, it could have the purchasing power of just €7,000. That's the cost of doing nothing. The good news: starting has never been easier. Platforms like Trade Republic in Germany, Scalable Capital across the EU, and Free Trade in the UK now let you invest with as little as €1. A simple MSCI World ETF gives you exposure to thousands of companies globally for an annual fee of just 0.2%. And under EU law, your assets are protected up to €20,000. This is not the Wild West. The 3 steps to start this week. Step 1. Open an account on a regulated EU platform. Takes 10 minutes online. Step 2. Set up a monthly automatic investment. Even €50. Over 20 years. That could grow to over €33,000. Step 3. Choose one global ETF. Set it. Forget it. Let it compound. The biggest barrier to investing isn't money. It's the belief that you don't have enough to start. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Every week you wait is a week of compound growth you never get back. If this video helped you, subscribe to Franc Talk. We break down European personal finance in plain language every week. Drop a comment. Are you already investing, or is 2026 your year? Let's talk.